Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermarks using CapCut on mobile. So if you want to have a TikTok video that you download to look clean, professional, and ready to be shared anywhere, this is how you can do it. First, you can just download the video from TikTok. You can click on the share button and click on download, and usually once you download the video, the TikTok watermark will be attached to the video. So let's just use CapCut to remove it. So here I'm going to click on new video and choose the video that I just downloaded. This one in here, click on add. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the watermark on the left side of the video, but it's usually moved to the right side in a few seconds, so just like this. And I'm going to show you how you can remove that. So the first step, you can do cropping or zooming trick, but when I try to zoom in, so it will be the part of the video will be cropped and the video will not look good like this. So I'm going to try the other way. I'm going to use the masking feature and also the blur effect. So first, you can duplicate your video, click on it and tap on duplicate, click on one of them and make it as overlay like this. So there will be two videos on top of each other. Now go to effects, video effects, and choose blur. Here you can adjust the intensity, and I'm going to make it apply to all videos like this, or you can also just go with the main video. Now adjust the duration, and in here you can click on the overlay video, go to mask, choose rectangle, and go to where the watermark is like this. You can also add some feather. Now click on invert, adjust the position again, click on the check icon. Here I'm going to adjust the intensity of the blur to 100. Now you can go back to the masking to make the blur smoother. So adjust the position like this, hit on a check icon, and the watermark will be removed. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all in the next one.